Today I have my February Stitch Fix box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is an online styling service. I've been using this service for quite a while now. I think this might be my 10th box, I'm not really sure, but I'm actually been pretty happy with it. So I'm not going to go into all the details of how Stitch Fix works. I'll put that in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, I'll also have my referral link. And also I've decided to start a Pinterest board, so I'll put all of the clothing items or the items that I received in my Stitch Fix boxes that I've posted so far. I think I just don't have the first one. I'll put it in a Pinterest board. So if you see anything in any of my videos that you would actually want to pin to your Pinterest board, it'll make it hopefully easier to do so. So I'll put that also, a link to that Pinterest board in the description box below. So today I'm going to be unboxing my February Stitch Fix box, and it's kind of light, to be honest, and thin. So maybe it's just because the last time I had a mix and match box and it was, you know, totally huge. But we'll see. We'll see what I got. Okay, so here's the prepaid mailer and the note and invoice, and I'll look at this a little later. And I have, looks like jewelry. So I've been getting jewelry pretty consistently lately. And I have my bundle, which is actually kind of thin. And here it is. Actually, it looks like I have some pretty nice, some prints in here. So we'll see. Looks promising. Let's take a look at my note. Oh, and I got Holly again. So far, I think I've had Holly for almost all of my fixes so far, and this is my 10th fix. So let's see what she says. And what I'll do is I'll just scan the note and I'll put it up. If you want to read it, you can just freeze the frame and then so you can read it. But I'm going to read it real quick. All right, so let's see what I got. Ooh, this is very soft. The first item, and it's a black floral. Oh, this is nice. This is pretty. It's a very comfortable looking black and yellow floral dress by French Gray, and I've had a dress from that brand before, size medium. It's the Zilah brush knit dress, and yeah, it's Stitch Fix exclusive. Oh wow, and the next item, wow, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's a dress, size petite medium by RAINN. And it's really gorgeous, actually. It's in a beautiful, beautiful purple color. It's a shirt dress. Wow. I really like this, actually. And it is $88, so it's a little pricey. But yeah, gorgeous. Oh, wow. And another beautiful print top. Another RAINN. Wow, this is really nice, too. It's a very pretty seafoam green top, petite medium also, and it has some really pretty pink flowers. It's pretty, and this one is $64. So yeah, it's a little pricey for a top, but it is very pretty. So we'll see. And next is another top. It's by ELLY, and it's size medium petite. So she got a lot of petite sizes for me. Kind of a very feminine, roughly top. And this one was $58. So this one is also kind of in the higher end range for tops. And the last thing was a piece of jewelry. Oh, this is cute. This is just a very, I think I might have something a little similar to this, but it's just a very basic looking necklace. And then you'll see it has kind of these little details. And it is by BANCROFT, and it's $34. Okay, so that's everything I got in my February fix. It looks very promising. And so now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the black and yellow floral printed dress. And this is a good length for me. I like it. It is very soft and comfortable, easy to wear, something you can just kind of throw on and just have it with a handbag. So that's kind of how it was styled with one of the style cards. She also said that I could wear it with a black blazer, my black blazer, so And here it is with the black blazer. I don't know. I'm just... Okay. And let's see how it looks with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a denim jacket. Let's see, so the complete look. Okay, so here is the Daniel RAINN dress now, and this is also beautiful. This is really nice. I like this. It's kind of a plum purple color, and it's lined. It's very comfortable. It has these kind of tab sleeves, and yeah, and it's a good length for me. It's a size medium petite. And yeah, so let's see how it looks with a denim jacket. I think it has it like this. And here it is with a denim jacket. Oh, and let's grab a purse. I'm just gonna alternate between this purse and the other one. So yeah, so what do you think? Here is the pink shirt. And I have styled it with the style card. I added a statement necklace. It's a J. Crew necklace. And some, I think these jeans are from the Gap. Skinny jeans. Okay, and this is actually a cute top. It has these kind of poofy sleeves. And when I first pulled it out, I didn't think it was that cute, but it's actually pretty cute. The only problem I have with it, it's a little bit short. So, yeah, these are mid-rise jeans. These aren't high-rise jeans, but probably it would work better with high-rise jeans. But yeah, this is very cute. Okay, so here's the Daniel RAINN top with the necklace, and you can see it's a very pretty necklace, although I have something very similar. Here it is with some white jeans and some tan flats. And let's try it with a denim jacket. It's cut from the cloth denim jacket that I bought from Nordstrom a long time ago, and I hardly wear it. Okay, and there's the look with the denim jacket and purse. Okay, so that was everything in my February Stitch Fix box, and wow, I thought it was a pretty good box. So let's just see quickly how much it would cost if I bought everything. So the total for the entire box is $288, which is kind of a higher fix for me. Less the 25% off discount if I bought all 5, that's $72 off. And less my $20 styling free credit would be $196. So that's a little bit higher, well, I mean a little bit higher than usual. So not quite $200 if I were to keep everything. But to be honest, I probably won't keep everything just because I'm trying to be good. And I'm trying to just keep what I love. Because I've had some 5 for 5s in the past where I ended up giving at least one item away, and then I still have a couple items that I've never worn. So I'm gonna just keep what I think is a truly special item and that I wouldn't have found on my own. So yeah, so right now I think I'm leaning toward, I really did like that Daniel RAINN dress. But another thing, I'm using my Echo look, and I've been using it for a while, and you know, I take pictures of the outfits. It kind of helps for me to decide, so I'm gonna kind of use this to see what the Echo look likes. But unfortunately, sometimes it likes everything, so I'm like, ugh, that doesn't help me. But let me know what you thought about this fix. I thought my stylist did a great job. It's just for me right now, I'm not sure if I want to spend $200 on, you know, 5 more items of clothing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye now.